Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashell art for 25 years now. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create this beautiful seashell flower arrangement like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, airbrush, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Trapezium horse conch, artificial leaves, Aluco Vertagus Mid Cut shell, dried sunflower stamen, and bear conch. Glue the bear conch shell into the bottom of Trapezium horse conch. Put white glue for more security, and dip it into the white sand for more security. Cut the styro ball into square and put inside of the Trapezium horse conch. Put a white glue into top and side of the styro inside the Trapezium horse conch and put white sand for security. Spread the white glue into the clean wrap, then put around the tip of the shell. Glue it again for more security. Do it again on the next layer, and put the shell slide up. Cut the dried sunflower stamen and glue into the middle of shell flower. Using airbrush, spray the shell into color you desired. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.